In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the front page of your WordPress site. Now, this is a really useful skill to have under your belt, whether you're managing a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or a business site. Changing your front page can significantly impact how visitors interact with your content. So, let's dive right in and transform your homepage effectively. First things first, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. So, go ahead and open your website's backend by typing your website URL followed by wp-admin into your browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the WordPress admin dashboard, where all the magic happens. Next, we're going to navigate over to the Settings section, which you can find on the left-hand side menu. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options, as they house the core settings for your website. Within Settings, you'll see an option called Reading. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it determines what your visitors see first when they arrive at your site. After you've selected Reading, you'll notice there are a few different options. You'll want to focus on the section that talks about your homepage displays. Here, WordPress gives you flexibility. By default, WordPress may have your latest posts as the homepage. However, if you want more control or a specific landing page, you can choose to display a static page instead. Now, you'll see an option labeled a static page. This is exactly what we're looking for. Click on that option to activate it. Once activated, you'll see two drop-down menus appear, labeled Homepage and Posts Page. Let's focus on the Homepage drop-down. Click this menu, and you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Here, you choose the page you want as your new homepage. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct page that aligns with the vision you have for the first impression your visitors will get. Once you've identified and selected the page you want to be your homepage, the crucial last step is to click the Save Changes button. This ensures all the adjustments you've made are stored and displayed accordingly. And there you have it. Your new front page is now live and ready to welcome your visitors. Do take a moment to visit your site as a user would, just to see that everything looks and functions as you've envisioned. With these simple steps, you've just elevated the way users engage with your site. Keep exploring the settings for other customizations available, and you'll be able to enhance your website even further.